Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone camera black or not working. The iPhone's camera is one of its most important feature. You can take wide panoramas, beautiful portraits, movie quality videos and more. The camera won't work, you lose one of your iPhone's key features. In this video I'll explain how to fix the problem when your iPhone camera is not working or black. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clean off the camera lens. If your case is on properly, gently wipe off your camera lens with the microfiber cloth to make sure there is nothing stuck on it. And the next step is close every app on your iPhone. A lot of iPhone software problems can occur when an app crashes. If the camera app or other app crash in the background of your iPhone, it could be the reason your camera is not working. If an app has crashed on your iPhone, closing it might get rid of the error. First, you will want to open the app switcher. To do this, double tap the home button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Once the app switcher is open, use your finger to swipe up your apps up and off the top of the screen. You will know your apps are closed when they are no longer appear in the app switcher. And you are done. Now that you have closed all your apps, reopen the camera app to see if it is working again. If it's still black or not working, move to the next step. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is troubleshooting third-party camera apps. Native iPhone apps are usually pretty reliable. Third-party apps, especially apps from smaller developers, are generally more susceptible to bugs and crashes. If you have noticed that iPhone camera is not working when you use a third-party app, first check for an app update. It's possible you are using an outdated version of the app, which may be more prone to the software crashes. Open the App Store. Tap on your account icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the list of your apps with available updates. If you see your third-party camera app is that list, tap updates to its right, and you are done. And the next step is check for updates to apps. If that doesn't work, try deleting and reinstalling the app. Press and hold the apps icon until a drop-down menu appears. Next, tap on remove app, and then tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again to uninstall it from your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, open settings, scroll down and go to general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone camera black or not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.